my name's Jenny. I'm here to talk about your art kit. So you either have your art kit already or it will be arriving soon. If you don't have an art kit and you would like one, then please contact me at Jenny, JENNYM, @chrysalis.ca. When you receive your art kit, it will look like this and it will have a number on it. That's so that we can track and keep record of who has a kit and who doesn't. We will also at some point be asking that you return your kit so that someone else may be able to use it later. When everybody's back here doing art at Chrysalis, there will be some people who are on a waiting list and may also want to do art at home following the tutorials. I want to make it clear that this art kit is actually to support the art tutorials that you can visit through YouTube or through the Google Classroom as well. We have sent out links to the YouTube link so that you can start watching YouTubes right away. And we also are connecting with people who have given us their email so that we can invite them to the Google Classroom. In your kit, you will find some information on how to care for your kit and how to look after your brushes and sponges and to also keep your paint pure so that we're not mixing up red inside our blue tub. Otherwise, it will get contaminated and we won't be able to keep our blues pure. So we want to keep our colours in our tubs really pure and clean and not mix them up. However, you can put different colours on your plate or your palette that you have at home and mix up as many colours as you want. So this is a very clear direction on how to look after your kit. There's another piece of paper that you will find in your kit on how to access the Google Classroom. It will be as simple as please just accept the email that we've sent out to you. Please click Art with Chrysalis Edmonton and please go to Classworks. That way you'll be able to find all the videos very easily, which are neatly under certain headings. It makes it very easy to follow along. In your art kit, you will have also one of these Ziploc bags. It's called Mixed Media Art Journaling. This is primarily used for the art journaling art tutorial that you will find in Classworks on the Google Classroom. Art journaling is a lot of fun and you can do it in an art journal. This is what an art journal looks like. Everybody's art journal might look a little bit different because the front cover does look different depending on what kind of art journal you get, but they are all from the dollar store and all do very well at having artwork put in it. You'll find that you have two pieces of wax paper. This is so that your paint doesn't go over the pages and affect the other pages. For instance, if I open it up and I want to work on these two pages, I make sure that I have a wax paper under this page and I make sure that I have another piece of wax paper underneath that page. And that way I will not get paint going over all the other pages and ruining it. Also, once it's dry, it could still be sticky. It's important to take your wax paper and put it on the page that you've just finished, and once it's dry, you can actually close it, but it won't get sticky when you open it back up again. So I just wanted to explain what the wax paper was for. Using an art journal is a fantastic way of keeping all your art together. You can do all types of mediums in your art journal. This one is chalk pastel. You can also do watercolour. This one's mixed media. This is a little bit what I was showing you about art journaling. This is more like art journaling using scrap pieces of paper. It's also using stenciling and lots of acrylic paint. So these pages will handle sticking and pasting paper, sticking and pasting string, really anything, paper, stenciling, acrylics, watercolour, pencil drawing. So every page, every double page can be something brand new, and I like to do a double page spread when I do art journaling, but if you're just doing a piece following along with the videos or working with Alison online in Google Classroom, It's okay just to work on one page at a time as well. It's up to you. Also in your art journal, you'll find coloured pencils. You will also find 2 lead pencils for sketching. You will find an eraser and a sharpener. You'll find 3 paintbrushes. Where's my third? It's somewhere. It's there. You'll find watercolour. You'll find a magazine. This is for art journaling, and there is a 4-part series in Google Classroom coming up soon that will be called Art Journaling. It's parts 1 to part 4. So I will talk about ripping pages out of a magazine and finding certain words and sticking it in your art journal for art journaling specifically. We also have 5 colours of paint. We've got dark brown or burnt umber. We have dark blue, red, yellow, and white. And if we mix any of those colours together, we can get purple and orange and lots of different colours as well. You'll also find in your art kit, this is a gel medium or a type of glue, and that's for specifically art journaling that you'll find on the Google Classroom. So I hope that explains your art kit and that you enjoy joining us in our Google Classroom to do art whenever you like. You don't need a time allocation to go to the Google Classroom. It's like going to YouTube. You just click on videos whenever you want and follow along. Some people do want to have face-to-face with an art teacher. Alison is our art teacher that will be doing that with people, and people are emailing me a time allocation for when they would like to have a time slot for doing art with Alison. So again, you can email me jennym@chrysalis.ca to find out some more information on having a time slot face-to-face art with Alison. Okay, that's it for me, and I hope you enjoy yourself as you explore going online and doing art with Chrysalis. Bye for now.